Papa, it's your turn. Papa, it's your turn to eat the spicy noodles. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. Is it spicy?
Yeah.
Oh, so what are you gonna give Papa? Give Papa water. Okay. Is it spicy, Papa?
No,
Not anymore. Okay. It's so spicy. Go. Drink some water, Alex. That was spicy. Oh my gosh. But it was good. Okay. Wow. Hi, Alex. Hi, you're a chef? What are you cooking? What? You're cooking? What are you cooking? Grapes and egg and corn. Wow, you have grapes, egg and corn. You look so nice. So you have a chef hat. It's ruined. And then your apron. It's so nice. Let me see your apron. Wow, I love you, monkey chef. Oh, wow. 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 Oopsie. Wow, so nice. Here it goes.
Now get the egg. Let's crack it.
Okay, you have to crack the egg and then cook it. Okay, all done. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, and then the corn. You need to wash the corn first. Oh, wow, and it's all done now. Good job, chef. Good job. Oh, sushi? You're gonna be cooking sushi? I love sushi.
I cook Janice's brother today.
Oh, you're cooking for Daddy's birthday today?
No, Janice's brother today.
Oh, Jana's birthday today. So you're going to prepare sushi. So Jana loves to eat sushi? Really? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Prepared so many food. It's amazing. Use the spoon. You're cooking peanut.
All very nice.
Yeah, all very nice. All done. All done. So you prepared so many food. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, what else did you prepare? Are you done? Oh, noodles. Okay. So those are your noodles.
It's warm and nice noodles.
Oh, Roma like noodles.
Yeah, so spicy. Like the spicy ketchup.
Oh, so spicy. With spicy ketchup.
The big spicy noodle with ketchup and mustard.
Ah, noodles with spicy ketchup and mustard?
Yeah. Now it's done.
All done. Wow, so many food.
Let's go, Jana. Let's go check my food.
Okay, let's call Jana. Let's call Jana, Mamay. Check my food. Okay, call Jana now. Here, call Jana.
Hello, Jana. Yes, hello. Hello, Jana. Hello, Jana. Hello, Jana. Your food is ready.
Okay.
Now let's go.
Yay! All done. All done?
Now let's cook noodles again.
You'll cook the noodles again.
Wow, we much, Mama.
Wow.
So much. So much. So much. Wow, look, Mama.
Wow, what's that?
Rainbow noodles.
Rainbow noodles.
Wow, amazing.
Wow, it's so amazing.
Chicken like rainbow noodles.
Rainbow noodles.
Yeah. Wow, amazing.
you almost done, Chef?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Mama's birthday.
Oh, it's Mama's birthday today. So what are you going to prepare for Mama?
Noodles for you, Mama.
Noodles for me?
Yeah.
Wow!
Is that here?
Okay, I'll sit here. Okay. And then, what are we gonna do next? You're mixing it. Wow, that looks so good, Alex.
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Is it going to be tasty?
Yeah. Yeah. Mommy, not spicy ketchup.
I don't like spicy ketchup.
Good for you.
Oh, it's good for me. Okay, I'll have the spicy ketchup then. Okay, nom 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 nom. It's so yummy. Yum 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 yum. Ah, yeah, it's so spicy. Ah, it's so spicy. I drink water. I drink water. Thank you so much.
Mama, is so spicy?
It's not spicy anymore. Because I already drank water.
Papa's turn. Papa's turn.
Oh, Papa's turn. Okay, Papa, it's your turn. Papa, it's your turn to eat the spicy noodles. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. Is it spicy? Oh, so what are you gonna give Papa?
What?
Give Papa water. Okay. Is it spicy, Papa?
No,
Not anymore. Okay. It's so spicy. It drinks some water, Alex. That was spicy. Oh my gosh. But it was good. Yeah, I had fun.